couple of weeks,
awesome,
for 3 days that will live for
That Dougie Kalitta, man.
In the winner's circle here at the Pro Superstar Shootout with the champ, Doug Kalitta, a living legend. Your momentum has not faltered from Pomona. This has got to be a big one on your illustrious career.
Yeah, absolutely. We got Alan, we got all my guys behind me, so yeah, just couldn't do it without them. I mean, it's been a great momentum builder, and we're looking forward to getting the season started. But Connie and I'm sure Don Schumacher would be so proud of the pro effort that was put together here to make everything happen, and just happy to win it, man. It's pretty cool, and a ton of fans. It was really an exciting day. So everybody I think, had a good time.
You could have done a million things with how you start this season with testing and everything else that may have been a little more productive, but to come here to shake off the dust, get all the bugs worked out, and walk away with $250,000, I know you boys are excited.
Yeah, this is a good format. Hopefully we can keep this going, because you got to test somewhere, and then we might as well race. So but yeah, FloRacing, I watch all the sprint car stuff as much as I can anyway, so wanted to thank those guys for being out here and supporting this thing, because it meant a lot to us.
Well, it means a lot to me to be able to interview you here and introduce you as the Top Fuel champion at the inaugural Pro Superstar Shootout. Great job, Alan. Boys, congratulations.